Alright, so we're going to get these hot dogs cooking on this cooktop. I'm not going to grease it. We're just going to stick them on there and heat them up. Hopefully it's fine. Stainless steel is easy to clean with some scour pads, so it should be fine. So let me do that. And let's heat these up and see how it's going to go and see what it looks like. So I'm probably only going to, its power level I think goes up to 10, right? So I'm probably only going to set this on 5 or 6 to get this started, alright? I'm making a video, 1 minute. Another one?
Yeah, it is ice cream with syrup.
With syrup on it? Yummy. Alright, I'm going to make the hot dogs now, okay?
Okay. Wait. You like gonna make a video about hot dogs?
That's right.
What that?
Alright.
That's so weird.
So we're going to turn that on to 6. The 6 is right there. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, you could see it's 6. So it's heating up at 6. So that should be heating up pretty quickly. It's already getting warm. Oh yeah, that's warm already. Wow, that's hot. Yeah, that's hot. So we're gonna start cooking them on there and get this thing started. And like I said, we're gonna get the microwave going too. We're gonna put that on toast. Let's see. We're gonna see how we do that. Sorry, I'm gonna raise that up and just show you how I'm gonna put that on right here. So you're getting a review of both of them doing it, because just in case you're going to have the same setup or a similar setup, this is the review that I'm doing. So I got to open it and close it again. Let's get this on toast. We're going to hit convection because there is no toast option. So we are going to just hit convection on there. So let's hit that, and then we're going to hit convection again. Okay, manual convection. We're just going to put it on for a 350 just to toast it a little bit. That's all, no big deal. And we're going to get that toasted quickly. Maybe we'll put it on 375. I'm sorry. 375, yeah, 375. We're going to put that on. Let's hit start. So that's going to start preheating and toasting that for me. So let's get to the hot dog part now. Let's do this. So that's already heating up. Turning on and off that pan. Let's throw the hot dogs in there. Ooh, that's hot. That's nice and hot, yeah. Let's see what temperature it's at. I have it on number 6. We're going to check the temperature right now so you guys could see. We're at 200 degrees, 230 at some points, 250. 260, 270. So we should be good to throw the hot dog in there. 275, and it's still climbing. Some of the outside parts are only 240. 240 for the outside. See, as you can see, 240 for the outside. The inside's very hot. 290, 300. We're hitting 300 on the inside. As we go out, it's about 50 degree difference. That's a pretty big difference, 50 degrees if you think about it. Wow, that's a lot. 300 to, hopefully it heats, oh wow, 310 now. And then we're only at 260. So it's a 50 degree difference on the inside to the outside, it looks like. Maybe this is not on properly, let's see. No, it looks on. It's on properly. We're on center, so alright, let's start cooking and see what's up. I don't see that even of cooking. We got 330 in the middle, and then we got 300 on the outside right here. Oh, okay, it is starting to get better. Okay, it's starting to evenly heat. It just takes I guess you gotta just preheat the pan. Yeah, look at this. This is almost at 300, so you do have to preheat the pan. This is stainless steel. I think this is tri-ply. I'm not sure. The model number and stuff. If you really want to know, I'll tell it to you. The model number's on the bottom of the pan. I'll let you know in the comments below if you really want to know. But the middle's going to be 350. So smells like it's cooking. Let's throw let's throw these hot dogs in here and get these things cooking. froggy eggs. Are you gonna have mustard or ketchup, Dylan? Both? Alright, well we gotta get ketchup. Do you get him the ketchup from upstairs, or do we have ketchup down here? Alright.
Yeah.
Making a video of me making hot dogs. Yeah. I don't know what she's doing.
I'm making ice cream.
You helping her?
Making ice cream. Daddy.
Dylan, are you done with school?
No, it's there. Over here. Right there.
So far it seems like the buns are pretty good. I'm gonna hit stop on there because they are a little toasty and I don't want them getting burned. So that only lasted a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to obviously shut this off and just let them warm up in there on that and stay warm because it'll be on the stone. So we'll hit stop for that and then we'll go back to the cooktop and we'll check see how these things are cooking on the stainless steel. Alright, they're cooking.
I think I will lower the temperature just a tad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Goes up to 10. It's only on half. I know, you gotta get used to it. Yeah, these are almost done. I think they're probably done. All we're doing is warming them up. Alright, so those are probably heated up enough. That only took a couple. Obviously, hot dogs are really quick and you're just heating them up. That's all you got to do. So let's turn this off. See how quick it stops the cooking process, which is great. It's just going to stop sizzling. I mean, the pan is still hot, but it will stop. Alright, so we're going to get this going and make our hot dogs. And that's just little Glen Velvet reviews on the cooktop, on how it works, how simple it is, and how it heats up. You got to get used to it. The H is on there to tell you that it's obviously still hot, so that's cool. And then the review of the microwave slash cooktop, convection oven combo. So that's just a review on that for you guys to check out and just an update for you. All right, thanks for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. And also, please subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventures. All right, have a good one. Bye, everybody.